Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. Today we are going to do the unboxing for two mini GTs, 1005 and 1045. So people are like going crazy for this car and I thought I should buy it, even though I'm not a huge R35 fan. I do like some castings, but not a stock. I don't collect the stock castings actually. Okay, so let's pull it out and see what we got. Oh, I'm sorry for that. And here's your R35. I mean, no doubt it was good. This is the details of the base. We have threaded tires, the name here. This is mini GT and everything. Let's put it on the turntable and have a closer look. Okay, so put this here. And put the turntable here. I'm not a big fan of R35 GT-R, but I like this one. The color combination of white and black. I don't know if I think if there is a black color with any other color, it looks good. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know, but this is cool. The hood details are carbon fiber, and on the roof as well, and even on the spoiler it's carbon fiber. All the black part that you are seeing, either it's bumpers, front bumper, rear bumper, side skirt, it's all carbon fiber detailed. GT-R logo on it. The headlights look crazy, the sides look crazy, stances are really good. And on the rear, it's this thing to see, man. The rear is something. We have like tail light detailing, we have exhaust detailing, we got a number plate there. It's a cool car. So that was your R35 Nismo GT-R, R35 actually, to be precise. Next we have is this Toyota GR86 HKS Type R. So we previously have seen in this livery we have seen a Supra, and this time it's this. I did not bring out the Supra, but I'm thinking now, but I'll see if I need to. So here's your base, very plain, just some detailings over here with the name of the item and mini GT logo on it. This is very lightweight actually, I don't know why. Let's put this over here and put this here. So there's this like another cool HKS liveried car. This is like fourth car in GR86 that I've got. I have two Liberty Walk editions, one Advan and now this HKS. HKS livery is really cool. It's one of my favorite after Advan. I like Gulf also. Gulf or Falcon is cool. I like the wheels, white wheels, 5-spoke, everything detailed with the Yokohama and HKS. The rear spoiler look really huge, but it doesn't look over. It looks nice. On the front we have all the details, HKS, GR, Toyota logo. I think it says PlayStation on the bottom lower of the front bumper, and on the number plate we have HKS logo. So yeah, on such a tiny car, if you're having so many details, it's really good. And it always looks good if we have this on the windshield, something written on the windshield, like they have written it powered by HKS. It's really good. And I'm going to show you a Supra also. So that was your GR86. We have seen a few of these, of the versions of GR86. They were all cool. And in the meantime, I thought I should bring up this. So this is more like a matte finish Supra. Oh, I'm sorry for that. That we have seen previously. And this is more like gloss, but it still look cool, right? And there are many other versions, but we are not going to talk about them here. Let's keep it a short video. Thank you so much for watching, and that's all for today. See you in the next one. Bye bye.